I'm going to do a 20C19 recall on a manual handle rear camera 2020 F150. You've got a series of T25 Torx all the way around. Take those out, pull your back panel out. I take this top rod off right here. I just take this little clip, pop it down, and then pull this rod out. And then through these two little holes right here, there's 10 mils down inside there. A long 1/4-inch drive extension. Take those two 10 mils out. So this is what I use to get it out. A magnetic 10 millimeter, about a 3/4 inch 1/4-inch drive extension, Milwaukee impact. There's the two nuts. Now you're gonna have to pop it out the bottom. So what I do is I grab the handle and I pull on it a little bit, and then I use that as leverage, and then pop the handle out. And then looks like a T20 I think, or T25, probably T20. You pull that little brace off right here, and then kind of work your camera out of there and put the new one in. On the manual handles, you're gonna have to take this little dress up collar and stuff off of there and transfer it over to the new one, so pay attention to where it goes. Pretty sure it goes like this. Anyway, you see that long side towards the where the T15 goes. Actually, it was a T15, not a T20. You see this little tab, and then that facing that way. Okay, that's what it looks like installed. There's a little slot down there at the bottom where that holder's got to go into. Of course, anytime you put one of these new cameras on one of these new 2020 vehicles, 2019, really any newer vehicle from Ford, you're going to have to do a LIN module initialization anyway. And that's a line-in network initialization of that new camera, and that's under the BCM. So I'm going to go into FDRS, which is the new system, and do that right now. But that's the gist of how to get the handle out, the camera, etc., etc. That's the new 20C19 recall.